Hi friends, and welcome to drama class. Today we're going to start off with our circle time question of the day. Now the theme for this week is flowers and gardening, so our question of the day is going to be about your garden. If you have a garden at home, what kind of things do you plant in your garden? That's the question. Now, if you don't have a garden, that's totally okay. That's totally fine. Just tell us what you want to plant in your garden whenever you do get a garden. Everybody got that? Perfect. I'll go first. My name is Miss Sherlock, and I don't have a garden at home, but if I did, I would plant a whole bunch of colorful flowers because I love flowers and I love how they smell. All right, now it's your turn. What do you have in your garden at home? Very good. That sounds like so many wonderful things, and I wish I could see your garden because it sounds so beautiful. All right, guys, so for today, we're going to be doing a poem because it's Monday. This poem is called In the Garden because we're doing gardening and flowers. All right, so we're going to do a poem like usual. I'll say the whole thing first, and then the second time I do it, I'll say the line and I'll say it again. And when I say it again, you guys repeat it with me, okay? Perfect. Put on those listening ears. Make sure your eyes are open and ready to watch. Very good. Here we go. In the garden, pull the weeds, dig a hole, plant the seeds. Cover them up, water them too, watch them grow in front of you. Make sure they sprout, get tons of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. And that's the whole poem. Do you guys like that? All right, are you ready to try it with me? Perfect. Like I said, I'll say the line first, and then I'll say it a second time, and when I say it a second time, you say it with me. Okay, here we go. In the garden, pull the weeds, dig a hole, plant the seeds, Very good. Can we try that whole thing again? All right, I'm going to make the line a little bit longer. In the garden, pull the weeds. Dig a hole, plant the seeds. Great job, guys. Here's the next part. Cover them up. Water them too. Watch them grow. In front of you. Perfect. Can we try it with the lines a little longer? All right, here we go. Cover them up, water them too. Watch them grow in front of you. Perfect, guys. Now here's the last part. Make sure they sprout. Get tons of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. All right, now let's do that last part with the lines a little longer. Make sure they sprout, get tons of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. Great job, guys. You just did the whole poem. Can we try it all together? Okay, here we go. All together, guys. In the garden, pull the weeds, dig a hole, plant the seeds. Cover them up, water them too, watch them grow in front of you. Make sure they sprout. Get tons of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. You guys got that? Very good. You guys are doing so good. All right, now we're going to add some movements, okay? All right, so for the first part, we're going to pretend to be pulling weeds. Have you ever pulled a weed before? All right, just going to pull weeds out of the ground. Just pull them up. Good. In the garden, pull the weeds. Good. In the garden, pull the weeds. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. Plant the seeds. Plant the seeds. Very good. And we're going to cover them up. Cover them up. Water them too. Water them too. Watch them grow in front of you. Make sure they sprout. Make sure they sprout. Get tons of sun. Good, get tons of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. Very good. Can we try all of that together? Okay. In the garden, pull the weeds. Dig a hole. Plant the seeds. Cover them up. Water them too. Watch them grow in front of you. Make sure they sprout. Get tons of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. You guys did so well. Now can we try it one or two more times? I'm going to do it a little bit faster. How does that sound? All right, here we go. In the garden, pull the weeds. Dig a hole. Plant the seeds. Cover them up. Water them too. Watch them grow in front of you. Make sure they sprout. Get tons of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. You guys have been doing such a great job. Now, I just want to hear it one more time, okay? Can you try doing it without me? Okay, I'll say the beginning part of the lines just to see, and I'll do the movements with you too, okay? Very good. In the garden, dig, plant. Good. Cover, water, watch them, in front of, good, sure, get tons, to grow is tons. Great job, guys. You did such a great job with the poem today, and I can't wait to hear it in person soon. I miss you guys so much, but I hope I get to see your faces again soon because I miss all of your faces. I hope you had a great weekend, and I hope you have a great week. Give everybody a hug. I miss you all so much, but I'll see you soon. Bye.